We'll guide you through how to create a WhatsApp business account. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So you're wanting to go and use WhatsApp Business for your business. We're going to guide you through creating and setting up your account. So to get started, you want to go and get it from the App Store or Play Store. I already have. And what you then want to do after you've got it is go and press open. Here we are. It says welcome to WhatsApp Business, a simple, secure and reliable way for your business to connect with your customers. So at the bottom, go down and press agree and continue. First of all, just go and confirm your number here. Make sure it's correct. So I've actually already gone and set this number up with a normal WhatsApp account. So we're going to be using it for WhatsApp Business and create an account with that. So we can actually go and use it to go and move over the chat, contacts and media. So you can press use if that's right. Otherwise, you can press use a different number. It'll then go and say connecting. Keep waiting. Now what we can do is we can go and transfer the data here. So I'll press start transfer. It's only quick and we can press next. Go and give access to your contacts. Now we need to go and create our business profile here. So what we're going to do is go and name this. So let's go and say we're making it for GuideRealm. We'll go and type in GuideRealm. And you can go and press continue. It says your business name will be set to this here. So that's fine. We're going to press continue. Now we need to go and select the business category. So you can go and see the different options here. You can also press see more as well at the bottom. And what we could do is go and type in tech. See what it comes up with. So nothing really related. We could try doing something like computer. We could do computer and internet website. You can select multiple as well and go and press save in the top right. Then you can go down and press continue. We can go and add our business hours. So you can go and press open for selected hours, always open, or by appointment only. We'll do always open. And that's all fine there. We can press save in the top right. And then we can press continue at the bottom. Add your profile picture. So for example, we could go and tap that there. And I want to delete that one. I'll press continue and I could press choose photo. And I'll then go and find the one I want to use. You can go and crop it and press choose in the bottom right. Then we can go and press continue at the bottom and you can go and add in some different ways to go and find us. So I could go and add in the YouTube channel, let's say if I wanted. Then we can press continue, but you could skip it if you wanted to at the top. You can add in a description, press skip if you want though in the top right, and then press continue if you add anything. So you can go and log in and securely protect your account. So you could go and create a passkey. I'll press not now in this case. We can go and add in our business email. So I'll go and do that there and we can go and press next. And a code will be going to be sent to it. So we need to go and get that and enter it. Enter it and press verify. You can go and access your chats here. And if you didn't have any, then this will be blank. And you can press the plus in the top right to go and start a new one. And of course, people can go and start messaging you on here as well. There's some useful tools you could set up like an away message, a greeting message, and more. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.